Welcome to Global Market Insights, your market research partner. According to a report by GMI, tomato processing market size was valued at $198.1 billion in 2023 and is anticipated to register a CAGR of over 4.9% between 2024 and 2032. The market will cross $303.3 billion valuation by 2032, as per a report by Global Market Insights. Increasing demand for convenience foods, globalization of food supply chains and increasing food retail channels are some of the major growth drivers. Based on product, the sauces segment held the dominant market share of $66.1 billion in 2023. Considering processing method, the canning synthesis segment accounted for 39% market share in 2023. Regionally, North America tomato processing market generated a revenue of $64.1 billion in 2023. Key players in the tomato processing market include the following. Thank you for watching. Access the report by clicking on the link provided in the description. Don't miss out on valuable insights.